for 10 years, every February 1, I wear the hijab. Yeah. National Hijab Day. So sana po mapasa ang bill na yan and mapirmahan ni Presidente. Presidente! Oh, gusto ko sabihin, baka naman. Hi, so we are now with Janica and Charlie did our hair and Egga's preparing the outfits. It's a very special day today because we are celebrating the National Hijab Day. For several years, I've been participating in the World Hijab Day, but this year, si Robin, isa sa mga laws na is the National Hijab Day. This is when we dress up, wearing the hijab, to be as one with our brothers and sisters, mostly our sisters in Islam. It's just that one day a year na nag-hijab talaga kami. Mafe-feel namin kung ano yung nafe-feel nila, pag nag-hijab sila, kasi minsan may discrimination, may feeling the difference sila. So today, we are going to be as one with them. Tapos nagkasabay pa na ang daming ganap today because it's a Saturday. So we are doing the birthday of Tony and Alex in Tagaytay, and we're also going to the party of Camille's son, Tristan. So those are my closest people in my life. This is the outfit that Mir sent. Kasi gusto daw ni Isabella white. Ang fear ko lang is it might be too thin. So titingnan namin kung ano yung pwedeng gawin dahil baka imbis na harmonize, maging magulo. Okay? Kaya ayaw natin ng gulo. Kaya titingnan natin. Tapos meron din yung mga girls. Okay. So this is going to be our look because this one that Mir or Light Shine White did for me is actually super nice kasi may mga details, may mga beadwork. Kaya lang, nahihirapan ako sa kanya because pang wedding type siya. So, masyadong special. So, dito na lang ako sa mas casual. Yeah. First, you need shoes.
I need my collaging stuff.
Okay, hold on. Isabella, you like this? I know, it's your two bags. We're gonna do both your bags. Yeah, this one. Yaya Jo, no.
Happy birthday, Yaya Jo. Happy Hijab Day, sisters.
Say Happy National Hijab Day.
Happy National Hijab Day.
Your turn, Gab.
Nanay.
Gab, happy?
Happy National Hijab Day.
Yay! Good job, baby girls. Ayan, ang cute nga ng mga pictures nila eh.
Again.
Okay, so today is a very special day that we celebrate. Okay? Dati, siguro pakiramdam ko may mga 10 years na rin, or mga 12 years na ako, na every February 1, nag-hijab ako. Ako na lang maghawak. Nag-hijab ako because I celebrate World Hijab Day. Pero ngayon, meron pong law na pinapasa si Senator Padilla na National Hijab Day para naman po sa atin yan. Ang maganda po dito is, ako po ay isang Catholic, pero every February 1, nakikiisa ako sa mga kapatid natin na Muslim in wearing the hijab. So, one of the reasons why ginagawa to is para ma-feel natin ano ba yung nafe-feel nila kapag naka-hijab sila. Meron bang acceptance? Meron bang discrimination? Meron bang certain reminder? Diba? Parang the way I see it kasi, the fact that you're wearing it, you are reminded, bago ka gumawa ng kahit na anong sala, you are reminded that you are a Muslim. Alam mo yon? Another factor about the hijab, pag nasa isang restaurant ka, naka-hijab ka, alam na nila, sila na magsasabi, ay yung ganito po, may baboy po yan. Hindi mo na kailangan sabihin na hindi po kami kumakain ng pork, ganyan. Mga minor lang po, ito lang po yung mga pag-iintindi ko, ha. Hindi naman po ako perfecto dito. Ako po ay hindi ko sinasabi na tama yung sinasabi ko, pero ito yung pagkakaintindi ko sa kanya. So ito yung mga na-feel ko na hindi tama yung word na perks eh. Advantage ba yon? Advantage and disadvantage. So mafe-feel mo yung advantage and disadvantage kapag sinusuot mo yung hijab. But wearing a hijab is a choice. it is a brave choice para sa mga kababaihan sa Islam. Okay. So sana po mapasa ang bill na yan and mapirmahan ni Presidente. Gusto ko sabihin, baka naman. Pero baka naman po mabigyan po natin ng oras at mabasa po natin ang bill na ito. Malaki po siya para sa mga kababaihan ng Islam. Well, I don't see na nakakasakit siya kahit kanino. I don't see na may masama sa kanya. So sana mabigyan po ng oras. Sinabi ko kanina, ang pinakamahalaga dito ay respeto. Respeto sa ating lahat. Again, hindi po ako perpekto at hindi ko po alam kung tama itong pinagsasasabi ko. Pero yun po ang pag-iintindi ko sa kanya. Remember Tita Alex, the fun during the sexy dance? So may pinapatok na National Hijab Day. Oo, kaya sinusuportahan natin. Wow, you're so nice naman, ladies. So today is the World Hijab Day. So we're supporting Robin's Bill. That's why we are dressed. But what's the cat? Yeah. So ang mga nangyari kanina na masasabi ko dun sa experience na naka-hijab, syempre maraming nagulat kasi it's actually the first time na marami dun sa mga kaibigan ko na nakita na nakaganito. It was a good opportunity for me to share about World Hijab Day. And ngayon na sana maging National Hijab Day. Remember, I told you that isa pa, hindi man perk, pero advantage when you're already wearing the hijab. When you go to a restaurant, they already know that you don't eat pork. So a while ago, meron silang charcuterie na spread. Tapos, right away, may lumapit sa amin yung head waiter at binigyan kami ng separate plates. Sabi, para hindi nahalo sa pork yung sa amin at saka beef yung binigay sa amin, even without us saying it, kasi nga meron ng ganito. So isa yun dun sa mga nakita kong advantage. Disadvantage, mainit. Pag nasa open space, mainit. And yes, you will have some sort of stares, yung mga mapapatingin, lalo na hindi naman kasi yung Pilipinas Islamic country, alam mo yun. Now in Tristan's Planet of the Apes party. Okay, Gab, you wanna do nails? Hi! We're very good. Gab, are you gonna... Today is the World Hijab Day. That's why we're wearing it. So, every year for 10 years, every February 1, I wear the hijab. Yeah. Okay, love. Excellent. Ella wants to do the zip line, but she has to change. She has to change. Yeah, there's a zip line for kids that you guys can do. Yay, Gab! Yay! Okay, one. So it was very, very good. I think we were able to show more awareness about the World Hijab or the National Hijab Day. But at the same time, I also felt very secure, and I also felt very preserved. And I am excited to do it again next year. Kaya sana po mapasa na po ang National Hijab Day every February 1.